everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new, you are most and highly welcome. So how are you doing and how is your day today? So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing onion tea. Like, this onion tea is superb and it's gonna help to wash your body, it's gonna help to clean your colon, it's equally going to help to reduce all of those fat cells, and you are going to begin to see your result little by little. Yeah, this is so amazing and the taste is incredible. Okay guys, so if you want to know all of the full ingredients, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and thumbs up. Now let me take you right in. Okay, so for an effective fat removal remedy, you're gonna be needing this. Now there's actually a very different ways in which you can actually get rid of your belly fat without too much of stress, or you can get rid of your general body fat without too much of stress. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna be needing this, and this is onion. Obviously, I'm sure you guys know onion. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be preparing this onion. And there are some more ingredients that we're gonna be using that is going to help to really make this really effective. Yeah, so I'm going to be cutting the onion in pieces like this. However you want to cut your onion, guys, you can actually do that. I just prefer to cut it in a rounded shape like this. Okay, so this is it, and what we're going to do now is that we're going to be getting a lemon. We're going to be needing a lemon. Okay, so this is our local lemon. Our local lemon is usually green, and we're going to be putting some few drops of lemon into this. So I have a lemon in which I've actually already cut, so I'm going to be squeezing that into this. Okay, so you put enough of it, and now we're going to be putting in water. We're going to be putting about 2 glasses of water. Yeah, and this is how it is. Now we're going to go boil it on the fire for 15 minutes. Okay, and we're going to be back. Okay guys, so while we wait for the first ingredient to boil on the fire, we're gonna be needing to use sweet melon. Okay, so if you're actually in the season where you can get sweet melon, you get sweet melon. Okay, now this is actually what we're gonna be using for this remedy, and we're gonna be cutting just a little of this. And then what we're going to do is that you can either remove the seeds or you can actually just blend it with the seed. I'm going to be blending this with the seed since I'm going to be sieving it after all. Blending. Some people have actually been asking me, what if they don't have blender to blend? Well, if you don't have blender to blend, just look for a way to just, you know, bring out the juice. Okay, so now we'll blend. And then this is it. So what I'm going to do is that we're going to be sieving this out. So if you have a juicer, you can actually just juice it out, okay? But the best way to get much juice is to just do it this way. Yeah, because I've actually used a juicer before and I didn't get much juice. Okay, so this is the juice. And then we're going to be needing apple. Okay, so using apple alongside with sweet melon is going to help to boost your body and equally help to remove all fats. Okay, so with the last ingredient that I'm going to be mixing this with is going to be a savior to you guys. This is actually going to help so well in terms of getting rid of your belly fats and all of that. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I need the juice equally from this apple. Now if you wish, you can equally use apple cider. Okay, because I want to show you the last ingredients that we're going to be needing, which is garlic. Okay, so we'll be needing some few cloves of garlic into this drink, and this is going to be really amazing. Okay, so I actually love to heat my garlic so that it's gonna be easy to pull off. And 3 cloves of garlic is okay, guys. So I'm actually gonna be putting that in, and I would love to put in just a little water so that it can enable the blending to go easy. Then I'll blend it. Okay guys, so for this particular one, we're actually not going to be sieving it out. Okay, so we're gonna be getting a cup and then we turn this goodness in it. Remember, this is apple and garlic, and we're gonna be putting in the sweet melon. Yeah, when you get a very mature sweet melon. It's gonna taste just like the name. It's gonna be really, really sweet, yeah. And this is it. Now our onion juice is set, and this is how it is. So and this is it, yeah. Okay, and this is the second one. Okay, so this is what you're going to do, guys. For this particular one, you'll be drinking it early in the morning, very early in the morning, without taking any other thing. You take this drink. Okay, now for this particular one, you take it in the evening. Now this is going to be your dinner. Okay, so when you combine this and take it for at least 2 weeks, yeah, you're going to see a whole lot of improvement. Like your belly fat is going to really, really vanish away. Okay, so this is how it is. This is how it tastes. And the taste, let me taste it and tell you how it tastes. It's actually a very natural taste. It doesn't have a bad taste. It tastes basically like onion, and it is, since it is cooked already, it's not going to smell in your mouth. And for this particular one, I'm sure it's going to be pretty sweet. Wow, this is really, really sweet, just like the name says. Now this is going to serve as your dinner, yeah, so you can make much of this, and then you drink it. This is just 3 ingredients, while this is just 2 ingredients. So you just make this and take in the morning, and make it and take in the evening, yeah, and then you eat in between. You can eat your afternoon food, but of course not something too heavy, so that this whole thing is just going to have a very good effect on you. Okay, so that's it. Go try this in the morning, a hot one, no sugar, no honey, nothing, just drink it that way. And for this particular one, you can drink it cold. Okay, freeze it and then you drink it cold, but let it be your dinner, and your fat is going to begin to burn away little by little, every day, and before you know it, you're good. You're gonna be happy. You're definitely gonna be happy with your results. That's it, guys. It is as simple and as effective as that. You know, you try this and I'm sure you are not going to be regretting the steps. Okay, and this is really, really healthy. It is natural and it tastes good too, yeah. Okay, so if you do enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and share the video, and I will see you again. Bye.